What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on NIO stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news, and I have to say that we have plenty of news that might be extremely important catalysts for NIO. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, right after this asset hit the range of resistance that I marked as the upper border of this channel. As you can see, I connected these tops and projected right here, and these bottoms also respect this channel for 100%. And my main assumption was that we should complete the movement to the downside. We probably might have the double bottom pattern because it is the latest wave for NIO in order to complete its entire retracement from its all-time high. Less likely, but still possible, we had a possibility to see lower price targets, and I have to say that this movement to the downside couldn't be massive. And another possibility is that we have to break this range of resistance, and with the conviction of volume we should go higher. So, as you can see, we broke it to the upside, but we don't have enough volume, and we have very interesting pattern right here. And what does it mean? I will show you in just several minutes. Right after I will give you some info about its fundamentals. So let me show you this news. First of all, I have to say that they have quite scary delivery numbers, insurance registrations numbers for the week of May the 8th till May 14th. And let me show you that they delivered only 1.2 thousand vehicles. And let me quote you this. NIO had 1.2 thousand insurance registrations last week, up from 1100 the week before. These numbers are not precise to the single digit, as the sources tracked by CNV Post did not share more detailed figures. NIO sales appear to be continuing to be dampened by the upcoming new ES6, as the potential consumers may be waiting for the more cost-effective SUV. The company announced yesterday that the new ES6 will be officially launched on May 24th, with the test drives available on the same day and deliveries set to begin on May 25th. This will be the fastest model from launch to delivery, perhaps because of the lessons learned from the long waiting period for models including the ET5 that led to the loss of potential orders. The continued product switchover led to months of sluggish NIO deliveries, which fell further to 6,658 vehicles in April. The company will report first quarter earnings on June the 9th, when it is expected to provide a guidance on second quarter deliveries. So, we have a deadline that I marked previously, and we have this number that also was disclosed in my videos in one of my previous videos. On top of that, we have an anticipation of ES6 model, their NT 2.0 model that is much more efficient in terms of the gross margin. And let me show you another news. Right here you can see that although the new ES6 is still days away from its official launch, NIO appears to have already produced thousands of the model, so that initial order holders can get their hands on the vehicle on the first day of delivery. And this is a very important statement. Let me show you that this article was published on May 19th, and it's titled NIO pins high hopes on new ES6 with unprecedented delivery efficiency and marketing campaign. And let me show you that we have a lot of pictures with these auto haulers full of ES6s, and definitely it shows how thoroughly NIO is working on the process of these deliveries, because we have the launch date in the middle of this week. And let me show you this article. This article was also published on cnevpost.com, and right here you can read that NIO's new ES6 launch event to begin at 7 p.m. Beijing time on May 24th. Show cars of new ES6 are already available at NIO stores, and those interested can visit NIO houses to check out the model, NIO said. And I have to say that this model might be a game changer for NIO, because I think this is the reason why they have so poor numbers of their deliveries for the last couple of weeks and even months. And this vehicle might be a breakthrough for the company in terms of its deliveries and in terms of its efficiency, financial efficiency. And I have to say that on June the 9th, definitely we will see quite weak results for the first quarter of 2022, but in general we have to see a very impressive guidance that probably will be a major catalyst for NIO for upcoming weeks. On top of that, let me show you this article that was published just yesterday. NIO's new ES6 show cars available in nearly 300 stores in China. And definitely they are 100% ready for this launch, and this leads to potentially extremely high volatility on the price of the stock. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next? I have to say that we are on pre-market hours, and as you can see, we already have the movement to the upside for almost 3% from this point, and this means we might see, let me do like this, this means we might see the trend continuation if the momentum continues. And what will be the confirmation of this breakout? Definitely right now this confirmation, this breakout happens without major volume, and we have to see the increasing, let me do this way, we have to see the increasing volume on the opening hours, and if it happens, definitely the next price target will be the breakout above $8.51 mark, and if it happens, this price action will be pretty much eliminated. And probably this bottom of $7.41 that was set on May the 2nd, 2023, might be the real bottom for NIO on the greater scale. Because let me zoom out and let me show you its price action without any tools. Right here, as you can see, from the very bottom, we have movement to the downside that has a completed structure, and I don't want to dig deeper inside these waves. I've already done it multiple times. I just want to pay attention on the general numbers. Right now at roughly $8 mark, this is almost the best possible price from the beginning of July of 2020 to present day. And right here, if my assumption is correct and we've completed or almost completed the entire retracement, this might be a very lucrative point for you as the long-term holders, because even to break first ranges of resistance we have about 73% of upside potential. But the price target, at least to unload the entire structure from the top to the bottom, will be this previous top, and this implies more than 200% of upside potential. And this is a very lucrative position, and definitely because of this, if your risk tolerance is quite strong and you can wait for the major uptrend, just accumulate your position on the way down, and in this case your average price will be very lucrative in the medium and long-term perspective. So, I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no